All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Evan Gappelberg. He is the CEO of Nextech3D.ai. And Evan, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Thanks, Steve. Great to be back.
So you've been hitting this for quite some time now, and it's official today that Nextech is now a certified 3D model external content provider for Amazon. So you can put that all on a business card. So tell me what this means for the company.
Yeah, and it came out on Amazon Prime Day, which, just as a coincidence that is pretty exciting. But, as everybody knows, Amazon is a multi-trillion dollar technology company, one of the world's most valuable companies. The total number of products on Amazon, including those from third-party sellers, exceeds 300 million SKUs. They themselves have over 12 million SKUs, on their own brand, Amazon Basics. So when you think about Amazon, it's just staggering how big the numbers are. It's hard to really wrap your head around it. So today's news speaks to the fact that Nextech is now has been selected by Amazon, and believe me, not everybody gets selected, Steve. As a 3D model external content provider, we've worked hard to achieve this milestone. We're really, really excited about the business opportunity that lies ahead of us with our patented high margin generative AI 3D modeling technology that we're going to be using for Amazon. We've already been using it for the past couple of years, but now it's going into overdrive as we're one of their external content providers. It really is a prestigious designation, and it underscores our exceptional talent here at Nextech. And so we see lots of growth opportunities, Steve, because again, there's hundreds of millions of SKUs. We've done, maybe 100,000, but that leaves like 200 and I don't know, 90 million and 900,000, just an enormous number.
So, Evan, does this mean then that for companies that are launching their products on Amazon, that they'll get a list of, hey, if you want to do this, you can go to this person? Is that what this means, basically?
Yeah, so this is the first step that Amazon has taken to tell the world that 3D models are the future for Amazon. I mean, they did announce that they were essentially no longer accepting 360 videos, and that they
Mhm.
now accept 3D models instead of 360 videos. But Amazon has been moving slowly with this integration of 3D modeling onto their platform. This is a giant step forward for Amazon and for Nextech and for our partnership, where the next 10 years of growth is really just beginning. They're going to open up Seller Central, we believe, in August. And we believe that Amazon's going to continue to come out with more and more and more news, and even push 3D models to their sellers. They're going to, when it comes to search, if you go on Amazon and you type in, a desk, for work desk, the 3D model version of that work desk will show up higher in organic search than the 2D photos. And so that's going to push more and more people. But the real name of the game here, Steve, is ROI. There's an enormous ROI when you use 3D models. Amazon themselves put out a report saying that you get a 2x conversion rate. That means 200% increase in sales when you switch to 3D models. So that's a massive increase. And if you're doing 10 million and you turn your whole business to 3D modeling, you should be able to get to 20 million. And so that's going to drive more and more people that are on the Amazon platform selling goods to Nextech to create these 3D models.
Okay. And lastly, what does it do for the company and the technology, this validation from Amazon?
It's a huge win. It allows us to go into meetings with enterprise customers with a badge of honor, where it's like, hey, Amazon has certified us. You know, it goes beyond just the badge, though. We're integrated into their tech stack. That
Yeah.
means that if we talk to a customer, if you have products and you ask Nextech to create 3D models and get them onto your Amazon listing, we're able to do that in a seamless, frictionless way. If you try and do that with some other 3D modeler, you will not be able to do that in a seamless or frictionless way. And so there's a big benefit to working with Nextech if you're an Amazon seller, as opposed to working with some of the other 3D model suppliers.
All right. We'll leave it there. Congratulations, Evan. Exciting day for you and the team. Appreciate your time.
Thanks, Steve.
All right. Evan Galperg, the CEO of Nextech3D.ai.